Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit the footer of your WordPress website step by step. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to use lots of the features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for a subscription that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for the subscription, but I advise you to pay for it to be able to do these tasks. Now I'm gonna tell you the instructions verbally, and if you follow them and listen carefully, you're gonna be able to complete this task and edit your footer in WordPress. Now let's start by following these few steps together. The first step is to go to the footer settings, and to do that you're gonna navigate to appearance here and click on customize and select the footer section. Most themes let you modify footer widgets, text and links here. The second step is to edit footer widgets, and to do that just go to appearance and then go to widgets. Let's look for them. Let's look for appearance and widgets. Now this must require a paid subscription as it doesn't appear here, but if you pay for the subscription, just go to appearance and widgets and update the footer widgets areas. You can add custom texts, images, menus or social media links. Now for the third step is using page builders. If you're using Elementor, open the footer template under templates and edit it directly. Now Elementor is a plugin you can install by going to plugins and search for Elementor and install and activate the plugin. And for the fourth and final step, save your changes. And before you do that, make sure you preview your edits. After that, click publish. For additional tips, keep the footer clean and professional. Add essential links like terms of service and privacy policy, and use a consistent color scheme to match your website's branding. And that's it. That's how you edit a footer in WordPress. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.